Hi everybody, my name is Roman and it's Marketing Watch House. And today we have a very interesting question that was asked to me a few days ago. What is better, DSA or normal campaign, and when we actually need to create a normal campaign and when we actually need to create DSA? And for those that doesn't know, the DSA is a dynamic search ads. And before we're trying to answer this question, we put aside three situations that actually takes this question down and it doesn't make sense to answer it. First, when you don't have enough human resources for manual CPC, for manual campaigns, so manual campaigns are not an option to you at all, or you don't have enough time or money to build automation or to hire people, or you just wanted to test a little niche, you run it around for a day or two, so you don't want to invest too much time in this. So in all the cases when manual campaign creation or automating the manual creation campaign is not an option for you for different reasons, money, resources or time, and the DSA is the only option, it doesn't make sense to ask this question. In all other situations, considering that you have time to go to dive deep inside your account and you have time for DSA and for manual campaigns, or you have some automation, this question is actually very interesting. And as usual, I have an answer for you, and I would say that manual campaigns are always better than DSA, but there are some but. So first, DSA generates keywords and ads based on your SEO experience or data feed. In a lot of cases, Google is not making up anything. It just takes something that already exists in your account, exists in your site, exists in your feed, or anywhere else that was already created by your team or your SEO optimizer managers or your CMS system, anything else. Manual campaigns is something that is created by human or automation script, but this manual campaign contains keywords and ads separately that you actually can control and track, not as a one single thing. So DSA has several pros and cons. Main negative part is that DSA is a black box. It has a very limited potential to grow and to optimize, and there is no possibility to customize any experience for the user, the same as it's impossible to scale. If you want to scale the DSA, you usually just increase the bid or you create new pages for SEO, which is not bad, but it's very, very difficult. And the most important thing, you can't control anything inside the black box. For example, for some keywords you would love to bid more, and for some keywords you would love to bid less, because keywords give you different conversion rate, or different products actually drive you different margin in your business. You can't do anything of this inside the black box. But what you can do is that DSA is very easy to start and it has a very, very good connection with tCPA or tROAS. Both of them will kind of solve the problem of bidding more and less on different keywords. And let's be honest, DSA requires almost zero effort to be done. And one very big plus, the DSA can be big enough from the start. So if you have a very good old SEO site and you never done any advertising before and you wanted to start very fast, DSA can bring you a lot of people with a reasonable price for relevant pages in a few days. And then you can slowly keep on pacing and create the campaigns, while the DSA actually drives a very good results already. But why we actually wanted to create these campaigns? Why not to stay with the DSA? The important part here is that, as any performance marketing manager would say to you, or any performance marketing platform will recommend, we take everything out of the black box to control it separately, to divide and conquer the platform and to see which keywords actually gives you the better experience. We try to customize the user experience, customize the ads, and make everything the most relevant possible. The good part about the DSA drives average results. But average result is not a business way of thinking. If you want to be best, you have to drive the best results. So what you need to do, you usually run the DSA, you take keywords out of the DSA to normal campaigns, you copy the ad text that DSA was created for this keyword, and you also create several new ads, the same as well as you create a responsive ad for a new keyword, and you put this keyword as a negative to DSA. Which brings us to understanding that DSA is an amazing thing for finding new keywords as keyword expansion tool without any additional data you need to do. You just run this campaign, negativize everything already existing in account, and then just wait for some new keywords appear there. And also DSA works very good with the low volume keywords that cannot be manually added to your account, but DSA will bring them up just because it does not need to create them as separate solution. But what if DSA works better for your account? Actually, that means that you probably do your work bad, because on average DSA just takes headlines and text already existing in your accounts, or you say, okay, this is the description, take the headline from the page. And if the page headline works better for the DSA than the headline you wrote, it doesn't make sense. If the page the DSA found is more relevant that you put there, it doesn't make sense as well. It doesn't make sense if the match type or negatives DSA works better than you do, because you can understand what it's all about. You can create a separate page for each keyword, you can work with the match types, you can test the ads, you can add a very good responsive ad, and DSA can't do all this stuff. So what I would recommend for you, work with DSA. DSA is a very cool and nice thing, but be careful. And after all, our main goal is to go there and take everything out of the box. Do this algorithm with DSA, take everything out of there for new ad groups, create a new landing page, and don't forget that DSA mostly is a very good expansion tool. Unless you wanted to test some niche, you don't have money, time, or any other resource to make it manually, then the DSA will actually be a very good solution for you. So I hope I answered your question. Leave your questions in the comments below, subscribe to this channel, put like, because like really helped me to promote this video on YouTube. I will try to create you more videos in the future, and please, if you have any question about the Google Ads, just drop the question in the comments and I will try to find a solution for you. Thank you for watching, see you soon, and bye bye.